Hi boys, what's going on? Took a little break from trading. Last week it was my birthday and I had some friends visit, and if I have people here, I don't really want to try to trade because like if I have friends here and I just go into a different room and hop on the charts, like it's just too much distractions. I know my psychology wouldn't be on point and whatever, so I just used the last couple days as a sort of break from trading and it's sort of a just a reset, you know. The point of trading is to like give you the freedom where you don't have to work. So I'm I'm already assuming that I've made the money from trading and now I'm benefiting from the all the benefits that trading has to offer, such as not having to clock in, you know. But yeah, today we had a very good opportunity, but we missed it. And today, just because it's my first day back, I haven't took on any risk in a little bit. I didn't really want to force anything. I wanted to be kind of cautious. But as you guys see on the daily on NQ, we had a very good solid draw. These daily highs right here. I used this first one from May 21st. We see how bullish we are. We're reacting off these daily imbalances. And then on the hourly, we just see how freaking close we are. Like, dude, obviously this high is going to get hit. Obviously. There's just no ifs, ands, or buts. Like, I'm 100% sure this high is going to get hit based off of how price is trending upwards, you know? And knowing this, I still wasn't able to catch a move. And that's okay. That is okay. So market opens around right here. I think I was assuming that price was going to sweep these pre-market lows right here and then go up, but we didn't sweep these pre-market lows at 7:45 on neither NQ or ES, but that doesn't matter because we still got my 5-minute confirmation that we're trending upwards now based off of this inverse. Now this is the only trade that I feel like could have made sense today, right? So usually what I like to do is pick out a higher time frame target such as that daily high. So step one, we can even write this out for you guys. So step one, we have the daily high. Target equals daily highs. We're bullish. So that's step one right here, identify. Now step two, confirmation equals this inverse value gap. So we see right here, step two takes place right here with this 930 candle inversing this 5-minute bearish for value gap. And that's telling me that, okay, there's no more defense for bearish price. We're going to go shoot up and take out this draw. So that's step two right there. And then all we missed out on was step three. So step two, step one, identify that target, these daily highs. Step two, wait for confirmation. Boom. We get that confirmation right here with this 5-minute 935 candle closing. And then what I like to see is some sort of move up on the 1 minute and then a retrace into some sort of 1 minute imbalance and then take the reaction off that to my target. But as you guys see, right, as soon as we inverse, we just shoot up. No opportunity for retrace. But what I should have done is realized that we are 30 points away. We are super close to this target, right? Not even like 0.15% away. So I should have honestly, I know this doesn't follow my exact model, but since the 5-minute confirmation was so close to my target, the odds of us getting a 1-minute entry are very low because we're already there. You know, price might just rip straight through our target at this point. I should have taken that 1-minute candle body closure right here, and then target the high, and then set my stop at either. I can even do these lows. I want to be extra safe, but that's not a favorable risk to reward. So I probably would have done like these candle body lows right here. And that would have been a clean 1.16 R. 1.6 R trade, but as you guys know, we didn't get it, and obviously in hindsight, you're gonna see all the clear setups. But it's just a good learning lesson. I've been journaling all this out lately. Every day, pre-market, when I'm sipping on my coffee, I write out exactly what I want to see, and I had all this marked out. I wanted to see these daily highs. I wanted this 5-minute gap to inverse, and I wanted to see a 1-minute entry. And I was thinking about entering off of the inverse, off of this 5-minute inverse, but again, that doesn't follow my rules, so I wanted to chill. But now that this has happened and I've had this information stored in my brain, like if the 5-minute confirmation is this close, within 50 points, it's okay for me to enter, because on my trades I want to target around 20 to 50 points. I don't want to be catching huge moves because they're not probable, you know? The way I trade and the way I enjoy trading is I don't really like partials. I like just taking my full position off once I'm at my target. And if I can just consistently catch 20 to 50 points, I will be a very rich man, you know? I don't need to catch 100-point moves, because how often are you honestly going to catch a 100-point move before getting stopped out? Like, maybe if you take out majority at 50 points and you leave some runners, but I don't have the capital yet to really do partials. I more or less need to just get my $200 winning days, get the payout, and then once we have a lot of capital we're playing with and we're risking a couple of grand on each position, then I would be more open to taking like half off at first TP, you know what I mean, etc. But for right now, I'm playing with chump change. There's no, like, what's the point of taking a partial, taking $100 profit and then moving stop to break even? Like, just wait for my full TP to get hit and take the home the 200. You know what I mean? $200, $300 a winning day. But yeah, that'll do it. So as soon as you guys see we take out that daily high, of course, we get a huge rejection down. And there was another potential trade right here. You could have used this as the next target, this pre-market low. And as you guys see, we have this 5-minute bullish gap right here that gets inversed. And you could have taken this candle body closure, inversing that 5-minute gap, stop above the candle body high, boom, another 1.57 R, the same exact risk reward. You could have gone over 3 R. You could have made, if you're risking 1% of your capital, you could have made 3% in a day today. That is craziness. But yeah, those are the two opportunities. And usually once my target gets hit, I'm done for the day. So once I saw that we took out this high and blocked my account out because I don't want to crash out, you know, you guys got to use the tools that are available to you. This lockout feature is very, very clutch, because if you can't trust yourself to not take a trade and not get FOMO and not like just crash out, then lock yourself out, brother. Like now you literally can't take a trade, even if you wanted to. Look, nothing. That's why this feature is very important and helps build good habits. But yeah, that'll do it for today. That's my analysis. These trades with these continuations, they usually happen within the first 30 minutes of market open, I feel like before I would wait till 11 to see if there's any setups, but for today, like I usually have for the last couple of weeks, like I have my target, right? Boom. And it usually gets hit right away, like right off market open, usually gets hit. Or the 5-minute goes against me, and like say, for example, we broke structure here and we just kept trending down. Like either what's been happening lately is either the price price will immediately go to my target right as the market opens, or we just don't go there at all. We are hunting a different target. But usually within the first like 20, 30 minutes, my trading has been done already. We can go to my journal and see. So last day I traded was last Wednesday, no trades. And Tuesday I took an L. I was out by 9:37. Monday, May 19th, took a W. I was out by 10 a.m. Friday, took a W, out by 9:47. See, like, pretty quick. Every trade so far has been relatively quick. But yeah, nothing really much more to yap about. Had a great weekend. My girlfriend's out here. Love her very much. Got me a lot of nice presents. Celebrate with the family too. Love them, of course. It's so nice having like a supportive squad and team behind you. It makes chasing this kind of shit a lot more enjoyable and honestly achievable, because if everyone's talking shit to you and you have no one, gassing you up, or you have no one believing in you, it's going to be hard to believe in yourself. And if you don't believe in yourself, you're cooked. So yeah, that'll do it for today. And then when I go on a huge yap sesh. But your boy's 22 now. Let's see how much bread he can run up at 22 years of age. Hopefully we get a payout this year, but I feel like that's inevitable. I feel like before the summer is over, I should have at least this payout on this account, because I'm trading good now, boys. I'm not fucking around, bro. This next couple months to a year for me are make or break, bro. If I don't prove, like I know traders say don't put a timeline on it, but like the way my life circumstances are right now, like if I don't start making money in the next year, I have to start building some sort of career in another industry. And the one that's makes the most sense for me is plumbing, because my father's in the plumbing industry and he's been very successful. So it would make sense to start, building my foundation and gaining some knowledge in that field, which I have been doing in the past every summer for the past 4 or 5 years. But I wanted to really focus on this industry for the time being. And then if I don't prove my success in this, then I'm gonna have to go back to that. And I don't want to do that, boys. But yeah, even if that happens though, I'm never gonna give up trading. This field, there's so much, like the cap for how much money you can make is so like high. Like there is no cap realistically. That like there's no point in ever giving up, because as long as you're not like dumb and blowing every single cent you make from your other job, the reward is so high with this profession that it's worth sticking it out, until you figure it out. But yeah, that'll be it for today. Hope you guys have a great Wednesday. See y'all tomorrow.